Okay, hi Shraddha, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you. How are you?
I'm doing good. So, would you like to just talk about yourself a little?
Surely, my name is Shraddha Nair. I'm an HR professional and I have been diabetic for 10 years now. I was always struggling with weight issues, mostly to do with my HbA1c. I could not control what I was eating, and yeah, so that's the reason I came to this clinic and consulted with Dr. Manish, and then whatever happened, happened, but it's good now.
Okay, so what was your weight at the initial stage?
So I wasn't obese as such. My weight was 72 kgs, but my HbA1c was out of control. It was 10
Okay.
plus. That's the reason I had to go for a mini gastric bypass.
Okay, and now what is your diabetic?
So now diabetes is completely in control. I am on zero medication. So initially, before surgery, I was on 12, 15 units of insulin and glycomet 1000 mg, 2 GP, something very heavy medication.
Okay.
Some cholesterol related medications also, because the insulin led to hunger, hunger led to food, food led to sugar, and sugar led to insulin. So that was a
Okay.
horrible cycle. But since the surgery, it's completely gone. I am on zero medication, no medication for diabetes.
So this surgery has completely helped you come out of diabetes.
Yeah, 100%. So I lost 11 kgs and my sugar is completely in control now.
Okay, so how are you feeling after weight loss now?
Really good, especially because Dr. Manish is always available. Dr. Sneha is always available. The way she consults or the way she talks about nutrition. Initially, I was a little scared that the diet is going to be so strict and I'll have to be on, whatever liquid and semi-solid and so on. But the way she guided me, I didn't feel the pressure. I didn't feel scared. It was really smooth, and I have been happy, and I'm continuing to be feeling really happy and healthy since the surgery.
So your full lifestyle is modified in a very healthy way.
100%. I mean, apart from the compliments that you get for weight loss and looking
Yes.
healthy, the major motivation has been healthy life, and that's what I've achieved through this surgery, and with help from Dr. Manish and Dr. Sneha.
How long is the time period since surgery till now?
It's been 2 months now.
Okay.
But within 2 months, it's been great. I mean, I'm hoping to continue this for
Yes.
ever.
Definitely. We'll always be there for you. Would you like to tell the audience something about your experience and also, just give them a little push to come for this kind of surgery?
Surely. So initially, even I was scared of, hearing about surgery. They'll be cutting something inside your body and there'll be staples and so on. But honestly, it has been a very smooth journey. The way Dr. Manish consults you and tells you what is good for you, the way Dr. Sneha works with you right from the before the surgery and till now, and she's going to continue working with me for 6 months and more. It's a really helpful partnership with the doctors, I would say, and there's nothing to be scared. Obviously, do your research. Talk to Dr. Manish. She'll suggest what's best for you. But overall, my experience has been great, and there's nothing to be scared. If you have life-threatening diseases, obesity, morbidity-related diseases, this is the best way to go, I would say.
Yeah. So diabetes is also can be cured due to the surgery.
100%.
Yes. Thank you so much, Shraddha. It was nice meeting you.
Same here. Thank
Yeah.
you. Thanks to you.